Welcome to Support Videos for Workload Automation video series. This video will demonstrate when there are multiple GUI servers, how do you select which GUI server the Control Automation API version 9.0.18.200 or above will connect to. Let's have a look at the scenario we need to handle. Again, we have multiple GUI servers, and the Control Automation API version is version 9.0.18.200 or above. When we start the Automation API server, it will connect to the first GUI server, which is returned by naming service. The first returned GUI server can be any GUI server, which is displayed in CCM. When we want to define a specific GUI server for Automation API to connect to, we can use the command of Automation API and score API and score configure command. This is our online documentation. From here, you can see the usage and also more explanations. Let's start the demo. For example, this EM server had two GUI servers defined. One is called GSR-backup, another one with the default EM server hostname. To run the utility, we need to log on to the EM server and also make sure the Automation API can get connected. To verify, we can run CTM session login to verify. You can see it get connected. Now we run the utility to check its usage. --help. This will display its usage again. You can see the option to specify GUI server here. This is what we are looking for. Now we run the utility to specify a GUI server to Automation API. The option is --GUI underscore server. The server name is GSR-backup. Now we enter. You can see the command had run successfully. Please note you will see here it said the Automation API was updated to use GSR-backup GUI server, and also it had been restarted. To verify, we can run command ps-ef grab em-rest srv. You can see the Automation API, the timestamp is updated. If we check the local time again, you can see the timestamp for Automation API is completely same as the local time. This means Automation API server just get recycled. Let's demo how to unset and revert back to the default setting. Again, we can use the same command automation underscore API underscore configure --GUI underscore server. We just don't specify any name to it. Again, you can see the Automation API has been updated to use any GUI server, and also it has been recycled. To verify, we use the same methodology, ps-ef grab em-rest srv. Now we use the timedataCTL command to check its local time. We can see the Automation API server has been just recycled. That concludes this Control solution video. The Workload Automation support team looks forward to helping you if any assistance is needed.